Welcome to 427 Motorsports, and this is our new Mercedes Fintail. The best part is, it was on 300 quid. Yep, believe it or not, the two of us managed to get this, a genuine Mercedes W111 Fintail for only 300 quid. Granted, it looks like it's worth every penny of it, about 300 quid, but we're going to show you around it here and you can tell us what you think in the comments. So as you can see, well already you can see it's not great, realistically. There's some dinges, probably buff out. There's a lovely mural on the side. The doors don't quite close properly, the chrome's all pitted. I'm not even going to start on that. Like it really does look every penny of £300. But we're going to fix it. The aim for this is Goodwood. We're going to fix this thing up, drive it to Goodwood, probably not race it around the track because, well, neither of us have a racing license, but that is the goal. And then we're going to give it a Doug score. If you want to pop the hood, we'll show you the engine bay.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood. So there's no catches on these. There probably should be a catch, but there isn't. You just hoof it up. And that's what we have. Conley, do you want to tell us more about it?
Okay, so this is the M180 engine, I believe. Well, that could be wrong. It's an inline-6 with twin Solex carburetors, which pretty much belong on a Volkswagen, don't they?
Yeah, and don't work, for that matter. Yep. It's been throwing petrol into the oil. And there's apparently enough oil in this for 2 cars, so that's fun. There we go, awesome. Keep going. Yeah, there's not much else to say really, is there? So it's a non-runner, which is great, but it's a 50s engine, so realistically it shouldn't be that hard to get going. Probably just carbs and very little else would probably be wrong with it. Maybe points, who knows. So we're going to give it a service and basically just take everything apart and see what's left. We haven't put a battery to it yet, so for all we know it could just go up in smoke. So we're kind of afraid of doing that at all. There's a broken headlight, which isn't cheap to fix, funnily enough, as you'd expect. One works, so that's good. We've already taken the radiator out because we wanted to hand turn the engine, because otherwise this entire thing would be a total waste of time, or we could drop a diesel in it, who knows. Close that down. As you can see, yeah. Good car. The roof, as you can see why I was standing on it, is already caved in. This was actually used on a TV show, and they had stuntmen jumping on the roof and on the bonnet, hence why it's so done. The boot, thankfully, is 100%. Connor, do you want to try and open it?
I'll give it a go.
There we go. So we're going to do a more in-depth video on just how rotten this thing is, but I think we're pretty set on saving it, aren't we?
Absolutely, yeah.
So I think we're just mentally deranged.
Yeah.
So we'll do another video going around it another time, showing you all the various little, at the risk of sounding like Doug tomorrow, quirks and features. And show you some interesting things about it, poke some holes in it, and yeah. So just stay tuned to 427 Motorsports to see what we're going to do with this heap. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, all that stuff. Share it. We'd appreciate a share because we've not done this before. So, and we're trying to save this thing, and that's what 427 is all about. So stay tuned to see what it becomes.